Go back.
Oh my god. We're at a golf course. Fucking with me. Blow on
This is the troublemaker.
him. Troublemaker.
That was the best one.
No, best one's L because you can control it.
Okay, I like the troublemaker one.
You would.
Jamie likes control.
Yeah. What the fuck is going on? Yeah, because motherfucker keep what?
I like the racing one.
Can we like go drive in the woods over here?
They can't. You can't fit down there. They're fucking only made for golf carts.
Fuck that wood. Can't scare him.
Nah, he's not swinging.
Let me turn around real quick. Don't be swinging.
Wait, there could be some on the left. There's some people on the left, I know. Turn your radio up!
It's all the way up.
Oh, there's some more victims.
Wait, oh, I want a golf cart to train across the street. I'll pull the fuck out the other one.
Oh, he's in the water.
Oh
He lost his balls. Cheers, guys.
my god, he's about to fight.
Dude, I want to go to the stuff. I'm gonna start doing it when I get close. I'm gonna pick you up from work.
No.
And you stand
Just
outside and
go
everybody's
before we
there.
miss the pot.
Well, can I not get taken out by a fucking city worker, dude?
No, those are the ones we want to get taken out by.
No. Don't let me go. Don't let me go.
Do you know how much they're insured for?
You most definitely ran back.
Nah, he's looking.